In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear ABS wheel speed sensor in a Jeep Cherokee, which is located behind the rear wheel. You want to raise and support your vehicle safely, wheels off the ground. You want to take these 19mm lug bolts off. These are not lug nuts, they are a bolt. And that's what it looks like. You just want to put this one back in so the wheel doesn't fall off when you take all the rest of them off. Just hold your wheel, take that last one out. After you remove your wheel, you have your wheel liner that needs to be removed. It's held on by a couple of 7mm, a couple of 10s, and some clips. So we're going to start down here at these 7mm. One 10mm here, one 10mm here. Take your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew that. You can start to pull it down. Peeling down your wheel liner, you're going to see your ABS wheel speed sensor plug here. It has a red tab. Push that tab out. You can take a pick, or you can push down on this tab and pull this out like that. It also has a little clip right here. Pull that out. And also a little rubber clip right here. Just pull that out. You have your rubber and plastic holder there. And then it clips onto your brake line. Now you have a clip right here. Just want to spread that apart. Pull your wire out. Clip right here and clip it away from the brake line. Another rubber mount. Lift straight up. And last, take your bolt out for your sensor. Take your 10mm bolt for your sensor out. Sometimes these sensors get stuck, but if you spray around here with some penetrant, let it sit for a couple of minutes, take a flat blade screwdriver and a hammer, tap underneath here, it will come up. And there's your old sensor. After you remove your sensor, you want to clean the surface so the new sensor can sit nice and flat. Take a razor blade, like I am. Clean it as good as you can, and then you want to clean inside this hole where the sensor goes in. Take your new sensor, slide it down so it's nice and flush with your knuckle. Put your bolt in. Snug your bolt down. And that bolt gets torqued down to 106 inch-pounds. Install your rubber mount in your holder. Plastic one on the brake line. Fish your wire over the control arm. Clip it into your plastic mount. Clip here, you put on your brake line. Run your wire up. You have your other rubber mount there. You have your rubber mount here. Then you can run your wire behind your wheel liner. Plug it into your plastic clip. Plug it into your harness. Make sure you hear it click. Slide your red tab and get ready to put your wheel liner back up. Take your wheel liner, Line it up on your studs. Give it a push. Start with your 10mm nuts here and here. Tighten those down. Now let's get these two 7mm. Give those a snug. And here reinstall. Line up your holes. Get your lug bolt in. You want to do this by hand so you don't cross thread. And snug them up. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.